Hello, namaste everyone. Today I am going to show you how to animate the circumference of circle in GeoGebra. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share it among your friends, among your groups. Thank you. Hello, namaste everyone. In this demo, I am going to show you how to animate the circumference of a circle. Just have a look at the demo of this file and prepare such animation in this video. I will try to show you how to animate circumference of a circle so that the circumference of a circle will be equal to the length of a line segment. Yes, you can see in this demo file, it's really attractive. The blue line represents the circumference of circle, and as it is rotates, its length is equal to the line segment which is red in color. Yes, now I am going to stop it and we are moving to its animation, how to construct this. Yes, now how to animate circumference of a circle. First step is take 2 points 0, 0 and 0, 1. I am going to right click on it and axis and grid. And the first step is take 2 points 0, 0 and 0, 1. So I am going to select point tool and click on here. Let's click on view and algebra. Yes, this is algebra view. We can see a 0, 0 and the next point is 0, 1, 0, 1. Next point is 0, 1. So this is 0, 1. Yes, we have taken 2 points. Take 2 points 0, 0 and 0, 1. We have taken 2 points 0, 0 and 0, 1. So label. Okay. Now next step. In next step, if radius is equal to 1, then circumference is equal to 6.28. If we calculate its circumference, it will be 6.28 units. So we are going to draw a line segment of length 6.28 units from B. Select line segment tool. Select segment with given length and click on the point B or as a starting point. Then it asks for length and the length is 6.28 into 6.28 and click on OK. Now its length is 6.28 unit. We have constructed a line segment of length 6.28 unit. I am going to show its label. BC is equal to 6.28 unit. Okay. Now in next step, take a slider A with minimum value 0.01 and maximum value 6.28. 6.28 is the circumference of this circle. Increment equal to 0.01. Slider. Thus, from the second last menu, select slider tool. Click on the screen. Its name is A by default. It's okay. Then minimum value 0.01. I am not starting from 0. 6.28 and increment 0.01. Then minimum 0.01, maximum 6.28, increment 0.01 and click on OK. Yes, our slider is ready now. This is our slider. Okay, now next step, take a new point O equal to A1, O equal to A1. And from this input menu, take O, write O equal to A, 1. Yes, you can see From the input menu, type O equal to A comma 1. Then press enter. Yes, this is the new point which I have taken. I have linked this with our slider. Yes, this is linked with the slider. Now I am going to right click on it and show its label. Yes, O. Now we are going to construct a circle with center O. Yeah, draw a circle with center equal to O. This point is the center and radius equal to 1 unit. Since the circumference we have taken is 6.28 unit, that is circumference of circle with radius 1 unit. So we are going to construct a circle with center O and radius equal to 1 unit. From the circle tool, select circle, center and radius. Second tool, second one. Circle with center and O, we have to select circle with center and radius. Then click on center. If you put your cursor over this tool, it will give you the idea or hint. Select center point and enter radius. Yes, I am going to select center point O. Then it is asking for radius, and we know radius is 1 unit. So click on into 1 and click on OK. Our circle is constructed here. Now click on move tool. Don't forget to click on move tool if you are going to perform any new tasks. Then let's move our slider and see whether it is linked with the slider or not. Yes, our circle is linked with the slider. Center of this circle is linked with slider. Okay, now let's move to next step. In next step, take a point D on circle. We are going to take another point on circle. Move the point D onto x-axis. Yes, from the point tool, select point on object tool. Okay, it will be easy for us. If we take any point on any particular object, then it's better to take a point on object tool. Then I'm going to click on the circumference. I'm going to right click on it and show its label. Yes, it's a viewpoint. Now I'm going to move this. Yes, let's click on algebra view. Point D. Yes, y coordinate is 0. That means it is already on the x-axis. You have to think whether its y coordinate is 0 or not. Okay, its y coordinate is 0. Its y coordinate is 0, so it is on x-axis. Okay, view algebra view. Okay. Take a point D on the circle we have taken and move the point D onto x-axis. We have moved it. Now let's move to next step. Draw a line segment. Next step is draw a line segment joining A and D. Okay. Then we are going to take a line segment tool, and construct a line segment with A. Yes. Move. Click on move tool. I have constructed a line segment passing through the A and a point D on the circumference. Okay, now let's move to next step. Next step, we have to write this command using input box. In input box command, write in input box command, rotate D and comma minus A comma O. Input box, write rotate, rotate, small bracket, capital D comma minus A comma capital O. Yes, write in input box, rotate D comma minus A comma O. Yes, we have written here, rotate D comma minus A comma O, then press enter. Yes, now our point is rotated and its image is hidden. D is rotated with the help of this negative slider, negative anti-clockwise direction, clockwise direction about center. Okay, now we are let's move the slider and see the rotation of D and effect. Yes, it's very nice. Now let's see what is the next step. Next step is draw a circular arc, DD dash, select OD and the circular arc. We are going to construct a circular arc. Then select arc D, size and color. Now we are going to draw a circular arc. So circular arc is in circular one. So this one, yes, one center point and this arc one, this circular arc tool, select this. And if you put your cursor over this toolbar, it will give you the idea. Select center and 2 point. Our center is O. Then I am clicking on center. Then D and D dash. Yes. I am going to click on this move toolbar. Our arc D. This name of this arc is D. I am going to click on this and color. Yes. Let's make it little bit bold, and I am going to select this color. Yes. Yeah. Draw circular arc D, select O, D, and then D dash. Select arc D, change its size and color. We have changed the size and color also. Now let's move to next step. Now show the length of perimeter. Our length of perimeter is equal to this length, this segment AD. Okay. Okay, then I am going to click on this AD length. I am going to make it little bit bold. Change its color this one, and from the alpha triangle toolbar, I am going to write its distance. I have selected distance. Thus, it measures the length of segment. Okay, distance. Select 2 points. I am going to click on this line toolbar. Yes, its length is already shown here, but I don't want its label, so I am going to right click on it and show label it. Sorry. Yes. Now distance is appeared there, 3.91. Yeah, little bit 6.28. Okay, now it's okay. Yeah, now let's move to next step. Design as shown in video. Yes, now we are done. I am going to show you the remaining steps. Designation. We don't want x-axis. So I am going to just right click on the with this window toolbar. Right click on axis and right click on grid to unhide the axis and grid. To hide axis and grid like this. If you click on axis will come. If you again click on this, then the axis will be hidden. Now I am going to change its graphics. This one, second toolbar, preferences graphics. Here, this background color. Here, this background color. Click on it. I am going to select this one as background. Click on OK. Now background is changed. I don't want this point, this line segment, so I am going to hide it. So click on show object. I don't want this B point also, so click on it and also object to hide it. Yes, now we are done. I don't want its label also. I don't want its labels, so unhide the label. Right click on it, unhide. I don't want the label of this arc also. Yes, now we are done. Let's click on the animation. Let's have a look. Yes, the circumference of this circle is equal to length of its segment. Like this, the outer boundary, the boundary of a circle is equal to the line segment. So, the outer boundary of a circle represents the circumference of a circle, which is equal to length of its segment. Now, from this diagram, we can confirm that the outer boundary of a circle is equal to a line segment. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.